friends. Now we look at the next topic 2.8, that is uniform circular motion. 2.8 is uniform circular motion. See here, if you carefully observe, on being released, the stone moves along a straight line tangential to the circular path. This is because once the stone is released, it continues to move along the direction it has been moving at the instant. This shows that the direction of motion changes at every point when the stone was moving along the circular path. Now, for example, what you want to do means you have to take a stone and tie the stone with a thread and you start to rotate. Then it starts to move in a circular motion. Okay, well, it starts to move in a circular motion. Next, this is because once the stone is released, it continues to move along the direction it has been moving at that instant. Now, after that, we are removing the stone. After that, while we are removing a stone, if we are moving in a fast, we are putting a speed as a fast and we are circling means after we remove the stone, it take 1 second to attain its direction. It will be in a circular motion. Next is, this shows that the direction of motion changes at every point when the stone was moving along the circular path. So, this shows that the direction of motion changes at every point. For example, see here. This is the center path. We are having thread and we are tying the stone in this direction. So, it is moving with a velocity v, and if it comes to this direction, it is coming in this side, and if it comes this side, its direction will be in this side. So according to each and everything, due to the change in direction, the velocity also changes. While we are changing the direction, the velocity also changes, but the speed is alone constant. Okay, va? So the uniform circular motion is acceleration. So the uniform circular motion is accelerated motion, we will call it as. Okay, va? See here, look at the definition. When an object is moving in a circular path, speed remains constant. Its velocity changes due to its change in acceleration. If the velocity changes means then the acceleration also will get changes. So when an object, this is your book box 6th 2 mark and 7th 2 mark. So listen carefully. When an object is moving in a circular path, speed remains constant. Its velocity changes due to change in acceleration. Hence, it is called as accelerated motion. For example, we can say as revolution of earth around the sun, moon revolves around the earth. These are the things that goes in a circular motion. So, it is an example. Now, see here. An object moving along a circular path of radius r, it takes the time t to come back of its starting position. When an object is along a circular path means its radius will be r and its time taken will be t. Next, the speed is equal to, what is the formula for speed? Speed is equal to distance by time taken. Speed is equal to distance by time taken. So here we are taking the distance as circumference. Here we are taking distance as circumference. So this distance we are taking as circumference. So what is the circumference formula? Circumference formula is 2 pi r. What is the circumference formula? 2 pi r. So the time taken is t. So here v is equal to 2 pi r by t. So what is the uniform circular motion? When an object is moving in a uniform circular path, its speed remains constant. Its velocity changes due to change in acceleration. For example, we can say as the earth revolves around the sun, the moon revolves around the earth. These are the examples of uniform circular motion. So, while calculating the formula, speed is equal to circumference by time taken. So, v is equal to 2 pi r by t. Are you clear?